Let's dive deeper into the market action with our reporters. Emma, what are you taking a look at?
Well, we've talked a lot about tech today, Joe, but another outperformer has been Boeing, one of the best performers on the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones. And it seems that the Paris Air Show has been good to the embattled plane maker, the stock having its best 2 days since December. That's before the second 737 MAX jet crash in the last 2 days, adding some $15 billion to its market cap. Now, the company reported 0 orders yesterday, but did say it was open to rebranding the 737 MAX jet. Investors like that, but what they liked even more was today's announcement that they've got a new 737 MAX jet customer, IAG, that's the parent of British Airways, signing a letter of intent to buy 200 of those MAX jets. It catapults the company into one of the biggest customers of the MAX jet. It's netting Boeing around $24 billion. That's a nice paycheck for 2 days' work in Paris and a welcome endorsement at a critical time. Sarah.
Thanks, Emma. Well, cyclical shares may have led the market higher today, but that really is a change in contour of what we've seen since May 1st. In fact, you look at back since May 1st, what we've seen sector-wise, the best sectors have been the likes of utilities, healthcare, real estate, staples. So what you're looking at here is a graph of relative price performance of defensives versus cyclicals by way of Goldman Sachs indices. And as you can see, defensives are performing near relative decade-long highs versus cyclicals. Now, the Luffold Group actually has their own defensiveness indicator, and they say that it is at the highest. It is in the top quintile in data going back since the 90s, and that actually bodes well for markets. In fact, when we have seen defensiveness of this height, the S&P 500 has returned 18.6% on average in the next 6 months. So defensiveness actually potentially a reason for the bulls.